everybody. Today I want to talk to you about the new app for ChatGPT for the Mac. And here it is. It's really rather simple. And there it is, and you simply type your queries like so. Who is the current king Saudi Arabia? And then it searches the internet for this part. And there you have it. If I also have, let's see, where did it go? I had a PDF. There it is, the Apple Script Guide. It is here. So I'm going to close this. Let's do a new chat. And let's not clear icons yet, but let's install or upload the PDF, the Apple Script Guide. And now it's going to upload the Apple Script Guide, which is a cool feature. How, and here, this is me typing another query to see if it will search the PDF for the answer. Using the PDF, how do I launch application with AppleScript? And this is the options that it's given me. And I'm assuming that at least one of these, or maybe all of them, are from the PDF uploaded. And it says here, you can also use a tell statement to specify the application, and then activate command, and then use the activate command to bring the application to the front if needed. Let's ask it if this is from the PDF. But it did not answer my question. Or maybe it did. I'm not sure. Because it does point out specific pages here. But it never gave you a yes or no. So there you go. that is one of the features of this application that is also only available if you pay the $20 a month to OpenAPI. So that's one of the options you have. And here you can upload a file, which we just did. You can upload a photo if you want something similar to it. You can take a screenshot. I don't know what the benefit of taking a screenshot using ChatGPT would be, since almost everybody has the native screenshot tool on the Mac, or if you're like me, you can use CleanShot X. So there's that, and then there's also your GPTs that are supposed to be here somewhere, but I'm not sure where they are. Maybe it's this one. Yes, I have one GPT that I use for coding called the Code Engineer, and you can select that, but right now it's set by default to GPT 40, and it has all the other language models as well. Well, actually, this model is no longer supported. Or is it? Let me try it. Nope, it's grayed out. So, yeah, ChatGPT on the Mac is pretty useful. But for some odd reason, I don't know, but I feel like I have to go to the web to feel comfortable using it. But that's the ChatGPT application. And let's try the photo option and see what it does. So I'm going to upload a photo. And I'm going to ask it, can you tell me what is in the photo? Now let's see. And then goes, the photo shows an Apple iMac. It's a desktop computer that screen displays a macOS interface with the dock at the bottom, featuring various application icons. The wallpaper is an iconic image of mountains with autumn foliage. The iMac is set on a wooden surface with a lime green wall in the background. So it basically described the photo exactly as it is. So now you guys have seen it analyze a PDF and describe a photo that's been uploaded. So yeah, that's the ChatGPT application for the Mac. It's pretty cool. Have you guys used it? Those of you that are premium subscribers to OpenAI, like me. But I'm pretty sure that it will become available to almost everybody in the near future. Anyway, let me know what you guys think, and if you guys would use this app or prefer the web version or something else. Let me know, and I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.